Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well and also have enjoyed last week volatility in market. So जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि जैसे निफ्टी had hit an all-time high level of around 18,600 and it had corrected till around 17,600, which is almost 1,000 point correction in Nifty, which is around 5% of the value of Nifty. तो ऐसे corrections आते रहेंगे because in bull run there can't be one-sided up move. थोड़े corrections आएंगे, थोड़े वापस से market will resume and again some dip will come and it will again resume. तो लास्ट वीक जब भी हमने मार्केट एनालिसिस की वीडियो शेयर की थी तभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि देयर वाज अ लिमिटेड अपसाइड बिकॉज जो हमारा अपसाइड का टारगेट था वो हिट हो गया था. मार्केट हैड मेनी गैप्स इन बिटवीन, तो वो सारे गैप्स फिल करके मार्केट हैड ऑलरेडी फिल्ड दोस गैप एंड स्टिल इट इज डाउन करंटली. बट इफ यू सी कि many people are saying कि यहाँ से अराउंड 10, 20, 30% का करेक्शन आ सकता है, but always look as these opportunities, this correction or crash as an opportunity instead of worrying about it. एंड जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीक मतलब फ्राइडे को भी देखा था कि जब भी IRCTC का कुछ न्यूज आया था, एट दैट टाइम many people were panicking and people were giving their targets 30, 40, 50% correction IRCTC, but a wise investor had bought that particular stock IRCTC on Friday second, first or second lower circuit, and they are now sitting at around 10, 20, 30% gain as well. So look for this thing as an opportunity instead of panicking and selling of the stocks. And IRCTC had already given update on Twitter and Telegram channel as well, so you can check that out and you can join the both the platform as well. So abhi current video mein we will be discussing about what can happen in market for upcoming weeks, and there are some stocks as well which are looking good for short term to medium term perspective, and trader should keep a watch on those stock as well. So let's start with the video now. So पहले we have start I had open nifty chart and जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, so these two yellow lines are support line for nifty. तो अभी जो upper yellow line है जो nifty का, it had already the nifty ने उसके नीचे close कर दिया है already, and now the one possibility is nifty can continue to go downwards, and this yellow line is also a support line for nifty, and currently the level is around 17,100 to 200. So यहाँ से around मोटा मोटी अगर देखेंगे तो it is around 500 to 600 points downwards from current market price of nifty. And other than this there can be another possibility कि this can be a fake breakdown, because जब भी मार्केट ऊपर चढ़ता है तो there is a high possibility कि weak bulls को बाहर निकाल के it will start its uptrend. So ऐसे बहुत possibilities we have seen in last 1.5 years, so this can happen again. There is a possibility, we can't say it can happen for sure. So what can happen is this can be a fake breakdown, and nifty can close above this level, might close above this level, which is around 17,750. And इसके बाद अगर if nifty closes above this, then we can see a good uptrend in market as well, because यहाँ से if this is a fake breakdown and nifty closes above 17,750, then there is a high possibility that the huge short covering rally can come in market. So एक possibility ये भी है, and another possibility is this breakdown will sustain and nifty can go downwards. So what will be my position in current situation will be, at current price I am not going to buy any stock, or whatever stock I have I will keep a stop loss on that. Other than this जो stock हम अभी discuss करेंगे, so they are already trading at support, and निफ्टी के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो इट इज अराउंड 5% करेक्शन, बट जो स्टॉक हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी 10, 20, 30% का करेक्शन आ चुका है. सो जो इट कांट गो मोर डाउन मोर, so उस स्टॉक में we can take position or we can track the stock as well, and we can look for opportunities. So in current situation I am already having position, I will hold this position, and जो stocks that I will be adding in future, I will be adding near this level, which is 17,100 to 200 levels. And if this is a fake breakdown and अगर निफ्टी इसके ऊपर close होता है, which is 17,750, then I will start accumulating stock for short term as well. So for that perspective, one can keep track for all the stock. If nifty closes above or goes above this level, then one should not miss this opportunity again for short term trading. So this is about nifty analysis. अभी हम बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस अगर हम देखें, So ये जो yellow line था, it was an all-time high level for Nifty in March in Feb 21. यहाँ से Nifty Bank Nifty had formed a rounded bottom pattern, यहाँ पे इसने breakout दिया था, and then we have seen a good rally of around 4,000 points in Bank Nifty, and उसके बाद we are seeing a good correction as well. So the good level, अगर ये Bank Nifty it retests to this level, which is 37,708, then it is a good opportunity to buy banking stocks as well. And जो Friday का जो low है, it is around 38,420, which is 700 points away from this level. So either one can wait for Bank Nifty to touch this level, या फिर they can start adding the stock in banking stock as well in their portfolio. If at all some major correction happens, and then the immediate support level is at around 37,700. So ये जो 37,700 है, it can ये अच्छा support level भी हो सकता है for Bank Nifty. So that one can watch out for upcoming days as well. So this is about Bank Nifty. Now we will go to the sector rotation sheet. So currently, because of this correction and down move, there are only two sectors that are positive, which is Nifty Auto and Nifty Energy. तो यहाँ पे one can track stocks as well. इसके जो constituents है, they can track. अगर हम अभी open भी करें यहाँ पे, तो Nifty Auto में the following stocks are bullish, which is Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS Motors and Tata Motors. So these stocks can be tracked. And for energy, Reliance Industry and Tata Power are the strong stocks currently, and these two stocks can be tracked for positional or for short-term trade. So this is about the sector rotation sheet, and now we will be looking for the stocks for today, for next week, that one should track. So first stock is Aarti Industry. So as we all know, it is a good company in chemical sector. And अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे हमने वन साइडेड अप मूव भी देखा था आरती इंडस्ट्री, एंड अभी फ्रॉम टॉप अगर हम करेक्शन मेजर करें फॉर आरती इंडस्ट्री, देन इट इज अराउंड 18% correction in 18 to 90% correction in Aarti Industry, which is a decent correction for a stock. And अगर हम यहाँ पे अभी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस से अगर हम देखें, this yellow line is one support for Aarti Industry, and this blue line which was the resistance for Aarti Industry previously. ये अभी और एक सपोर्ट की तरह काम कर रहा है फॉर आरती इंडस्ट्री. यहाँ पे जैसे इसको रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया था, एंड नाउ इट इज अगेन इट हैड अगेन अप्रोच्ड दिस लेवल, एंड यहाँ पे इट कैन टेक सपोर्ट एज वेल, व्हिच इज, एंड ये जो लेवल है, इट इज द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दिस बोथ येलो लाइन एंड ब्लू लाइन सपोर्ट लाइन. सो वन कैन ट्रैक आरती इंडस्ट्री एज वेल for short term. The buying price will be at around 964. The stop loss will be 890, and target will be the all-time high level, which is 1168 for Aarti Industry. So one can watch this out as well. So the next stock is Deepak Nitrite. So this is the second stock for short term, and this is again from the chemical sector. And जैसे कि this was one of the good performing stock in for the last one to 2 years, and it had given a good returns as well. So currently अगर हम correction देखें in Deepak Nitrite, so from this stop if you see the correction, तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक it had given a correction of around 27%. So this is a decent correction in Deepak Nitrite as well. Second important thing is this is now trading near this yellow line support, this yellow support line, which is a good sign as well. And the second support that is available is at this blue level, blue line basically. So what one can do is instead of waiting for this stock to crash till 19 this blue line level, one can, if one is an investor and one is looking to invest in this stock, then one can add a 50% quantity at current price, which is 2230, and then remaining 50% at this blue line, which is around 1985. And this two price are crucial for Deepak Nitrite, and one can add at this particular level if you are an investor for a trader. One can add it at around 2230, which is the current price. The stop loss will be 2000, and the target will be the 3000 level, which is the all-time high level for Deepak Nitrite. If the stop loss break, then the another support available is at this level, so we will watch out the Deepak Nitrite as well at that time. So this is about the trade in Deepak Nitrite. So the last stock for today is so the last stock is Info Edge or Naukri. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो तो येलो लाइन वाज द सपोर्ट, द रेजिस्टेंस लाइन फॉर नौकरी, एंड यहाँ पे इसका ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल था। एंड यहाँ पे आफ्टर दिस रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट देके इट हैड गिवन अ गुड अप मूव एज वेल from around 6,000 level to around 7,400 levels, which is a good 7,500, which is a good rally in info edge. अगर हम यहाँ से करेक्शन देके जो info edge में आया in the last few days, तो अगर हम वो भी मेजर करें करंट तो सिनेरियो में, तो it is around 20% correction in नौकरी और info edge. सो यहाँ पे भी डिसेंट करेक्शन देखने को मिला। एंड अभी अगर हम देखें तो दिस इज नाउ ट्रेडिंग एट दिस येलो लाइन, जो सपोर्ट लाइन है अभी करंटली फॉर द नौकरी। पहले ये रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे, एंड नाउ इट इज अ सपोर्ट, इट कैन एक्ट एज अ सपोर्ट फॉर एज वेल फॉर नौकरी और इन्फो एज। द रीजन फॉर यहाँ पे ऐसे सपोर्ट लिया तो यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा ग्रीन कैंडल भी बना है। इट हैड दिस कैंडल हैड क्लोज्ड अबाउट दिस हाई एज वेल। तो इसके लिए दिस कैन बी अ गुड सपोर्ट लेवल फॉर इन्फो एज, एंड शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडर कैन ट्रैक इन्फो एज एज वेल. The buying price will be at around 6075, but stop loss will be set 5300 and the target will be 7750. And जो target है, we have not took the all time high level, but this target is on the basis of the rounding bottom का जो breakout है उसके basis पे हमने लिया है। and जो target का calculation हम देख के आया था, so we did like this. so ये जो resistance है यहाँ पे जो rounded bottom था, rounded bottom का ये high है, and यहाँ पे जो है इसका low है, and then we have added this range about the support line. So we have got a target which is the 7750 level based on this. So one can track Naukri as well for short term. So this is all about the today's like the market analysis video, and although we have already discussed some of the stocks. If you find any stocks interesting for upcoming week or some index anything, then you can definitely share it with us on the Twitter ID as well. So, and if you have learned anything from this video, then you can like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative and learning videos in future, and do share this channel with others as well. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.